decided to go to a handshake from his people. For rare occasion, having the president excited, very good news like a feeling today. It was rare to see Kyagulanyi. That is most. Makolo Kazmanisha President Bobi Wekata ya Bukawenzi. Thank you, Without wasting any time, zinga social media. Social media yambe nyo, atena mumu yambe nyo. Transforming a social media. Back then, TikTok was about nudity. It was about kumula. But today, TikTok is about entertainment. And I want to salute all the TikTokers that have taken it upon themselves to use that platform to awaken our people. Mukose social media, Facebook, Museveni yagisalako, na yate memuli babufu somehow, mwine ngeri je mumusala ekikubu, ne mugikozesa. Mukozese platform zezo. Mufollowinga abantu abogera ebyo bibakiikirira ate temmala budde n'abawuluzi temmala budde n'abantu batono ya kifaananyi kyaffe. Era njagala obbasaba naawe ali ku social media manya nti abantu bangi abakufollowinga. You have so many followers, but where are you leading them to? Lead them to the right place so that we can celebrate you, brothers and sisters. Finally,